Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I did a video the other day on this file, and somebody wanted to know how you could just get the mask off of that file. Well, this mask has been welded to this letter and to this other object, so this is really easy. Let's just zoom in here on those two objects. I like using the 3-point curve line, because you can actually curve this a little bit to kind of match the face, even though you can do that later. And then just go from node to node. And then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then you have a completed version of that mask that's totally free from anything else. And you could change it up a little bit. Let's move it out of the way a little bit. You could rotate it to make it perpendicular, and you can change up where I changed the line a little bit of his mask. You know, isn't quite perfect, but because these nodes have already been sealed up and corrected by the Smart Fill tool, you can do anything you want to with them. Take that node out, and you got a better symmetrical face. Then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in again, and voila, you can engrave it, you can cut it out, do anything you want to with it. So a lot of times when you find graphics, you can do that. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.